This week we're going to be exploring downtown Disney and Vietnam? No, it's Little Saigon. Come with me as we shop for literally everything in downtown Disney and to find Summer and I our very first ao dai, or traditional Vietnamese dresses in Little Saigon. And oh yeah, eat lots and lots of delicious food.
We're in 23E Simba. 23E, that is Paradise Pier. You guys like my singing? Here we go. So magical. Thank goodness for the shade. Whew. I was dying back there. Ready for the magic? You look ready, Minnie Mouse. We made it through, my little precious girl. Look where we're at. There's like nobody here today. That's awesome. Wow, I've never seen so few people. Over there, what is that, the Rainforest Cafe? Can't remember. Yep. This little square that kind of looks like New Orleans and kind of looks like Paris at the same time. Got two Starbuckses. There we go. Boop.
Our first stop is the Lego store. Why? Because it is so freaking hot outside and they had a banging AC.
Any color you want. Ooh, look! Oh, how cute! Oh my gosh, all the stuff. What are we gonna do? Do you like it? Look at her face. What do you think of that? Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at this. Yeah! So cute!
Yeah!
Oh, the donut ones are cuter.
Seriously? Who is this girl?
Margaritas and tacos. Why aren't we over there? They have beignets and po' boys and probably a mint julep.
I need this. I didn't know I needed this until just now, but I need this.
Love all the holiday stuff.
How do you even just not buy everything?
Oh, here he is. These are really cute. Oh my gosh, look at the poison apples.
Have you ever had that dream where all your teeth fall out? Well, it might be because you visited this place.
These are so cool. Can I take one of each?
This place is sugar heaven. Well, actually, it's Marceline's confectionery.
That's neat. Look at Holly.
And this is my favorite place of all.
Look at this.
This is like, this store was made for me. What just happened? Let's go in.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It matches your outfit.
Oh my goodness.
They knew you were coming.
Hey, this one's honey. You can match mommy. And they have the pink stuff too.
Rose gold.
Now this is good for every day. Hey. Dress.
Wow.
It's a doll wet. And then there's a matching kid's dress. With a Dole Whip purse. Living my best life. Every day, babe. Every day. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look, it's dessert. And then we can have these. You want a Dole Whip? Oh, beautiful. You should get it.
Yes, that is me enabling a complete stranger.
Yes. I love it. Oh, I'm so sad to do. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, the Grand California Hotel. Look. Of course, no downtown Disney is complete without a Sephora. We are at the Brand Bakery. It's mostly breakfast foods. We have quite a few cocktails, but I went with the blackberry non-alcoholic cooler. You eating crayons? Ooh, look at that. Refreshing for the day. Mom can't have anything to herself. Ooh, that's delicious. Look at this girl. You want it?
Yeah.
How surprising. Mom's gotta try it. I gotta make sure it's good. perfectly made bagel and loaves. Really good fresh bagel. Ads ever. Oh, that's so cool.
And then after lunch, it's time for shopping, shopping, and oh yeah, more shopping.
I've never been a fan of Crocs, but I particularly like these. I wonder why. They have the matching dog sweater. Perfect. You like your new hat?
And this, folks, is what happens when you procrastinate on editing your videos. You end up posting Halloween footage from October 2019 and May 2020. But hey, that's okay. Who doesn't like Halloween, right?
Doesn't it make you want to just start Halloween decorating when we get home?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's my absolute favorite. Light up Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh. I almost want to be Tinkerbell now for Halloween. The very last thing we do before we leave is get some snacks. We need a churro and what else? Whatever other snacks we see that we take. You gotta go backwards to keep her out of the sun because she's freaking out. Let's get some snacks. Ice cream. Ooh, corn dogs. Ooh, funnel cakes. Ooh, churros. I think I want the ice cream sandwich one. Ooh. It's gonna be the sandwich? Oh, okay. So we're gonna do the Fruity Pebbles ice cream churros. Okay, let's do it. That sounds so naughty.
Somebody please come get this girl. She has lost it completely. Oh yeah, that's me.
Fruity Pebbles sandwich.
Okay, thank you. Okay. And then this is a new one I've never tried. I'll try a churro ice cream sandwich first of all.
Wow.
Oh, this is gonna be so naughty. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh my God.
That's like a week in the gym.
Oh shit. I'm gonna take a little bit off. Look how much. And it's so heavy. This is insane. Look at that thing. Here goes nothing. Oh, really sugary. But delicious. It's a hard day at downtown Disney. We're all pooped. Those egg tarts.
Our next stop is Little Saigon. Or what we thought was Little Saigon, but turned out not to be Little Saigon. But luckily for us, the nice lady who worked at one of the stores in this shopping center actually pointed us in the direction of the real Little Saigon. And here we are.
It's the place to be today. I can already tell it's gonna be awesome. It smells good in here. Look at crystal ball. That looks good.
We'll stop by some places.
Wow, look at that. Hello. Hi, how are you?
Oh, I thought that was a toy.
The real dog.
Ooh, lots of styles on there.
Oh, we're at Tiffany's. Look at that big Chanel bag.
Oh, they're recent.
I almost want to pop in. There's like jade in there too. Ooh, and we can get some fake luxury bags. That's a good fake Chanel.
Wow.
Yes,
Oh,
they have them. Look,
Oh, yeah.
oh my God, and they're so shiny and beautiful.
wow. This is. Wow. Wow. This is like the superstore of this.
This is. Wow, beautiful.
Wow.
Oh my God, look at this dragon.
Look at she's pointing.
You see it? Is it pretty? This is the coolest thing. Down Vietnamese heaven. Get all that good food in there.
Very nice.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Last size, a small size, $1 and last size $2.
We'll do a big size, please.
What's it called? Round gum.
Okay. I'll remember. This one, yeah.
Lúc nào mà không đưa? Không,
So there's the name of the dish. I'm not even gonna try. There it is. If you want to give it a go.
Mom would normally bring stuff like this.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Yum, yum, yum.
What?
So refreshing. It's so good. Oh, there's like a lot of people over here. This is the side to be on. Ooh, look, the grilled scallop. That looks like when we were in Mexico, huh? Do you want to try some?
You
I
can.
know. I'll try it.
You have for babies too? Yeah.
Look at those. Try walking in those bad boys.
It smells so good already.
Does it? Oh, that sauce I know is bomb diggity.
Yeah, hold on.
Is it so good? Oh man, the last time you passed? Did your mom ever bring that home?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay, should I try some? Should I get a little of the cilantro?
Yeah, you can try.
Okay.
I don't. Definitely. The onion.
Okay, I'll
Here.
just do like a little
Let me help you out with the baby.
That's okay, I got it.
Dip all deep. Okay, and then take.
Wow. Wow, that's so good.
You like the onions on it, huh?
Uh-huh. Give it all to me. The sauce is a little spicy. The onions give it some nice texture. And I don't usually eat pork, but it's delicious. My partner, who's recording right now, usually makes the chow for us. So this is my first like chow outside of you making it. So I don't know why I have chopsticks. I think chow with chopsticks. Mix it up. Give it a little mixy poo. Oh, it's got also bean sprouts. We don't put bean sprouts in it.
I know. Make sure you don't get your eyes poked out with.
Yeah.
Is it different?
It's good. It's different because we put lemon in ours.
Summer and I did end up finding our own ao yai, and we wore them to the Lunar New Year Festival in San Diego. Isn't she so cute? Our weekend in Orange County was quite the polar opposite experience. I loved every minute of it, and I can't wait to do it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can get notified every time I do an upload. And until next time, love you guys so much.